This keyboard is amazing. I was skeptical about some kind of Chinese keyboard, what is iClever, but I read the reviews and I decided, okay, why not? Because I really liked it based on reviews, and I didn't disappoint it. I am using it already half a year, and I like how it clicks. I like how it keeps going with connection. Yes, so no problems with Bluetooth, and it's very convenient because whenever you are not using it, it's going to sleep, and it's just instant when you are pressing the key. It's connecting to your Mac, for example, or your laptop. I don't know. Right now it's turned off, but you can turn it on. Yeah, and it's connected already. This one dot. Okay, yeah, it's high quality, it's good weight in your hands, and it's like metal. In feeling, it's like metal, but it's actually very hard and heavy plastic. So I highly recommend it to everyone.
Just a quick one. Just unbox the new keyboard, and just so you know, right here is the green light on, and for me to connect to my computer, I hit this one with the Bluetooth. So I started using it. So if you see it on my computer, you don't see that it's already started working. So as soon as I got it connected, you see that? Just easy, very easy to connect. If I press letter T, see that? Very much easy. I like it. And this is my complete system. It was really good. Alright. I recommend it. Thank you.
I bought this keyboard recently, and honestly, it's a hit. And you can turn it off or you can turn it on. I have it connected to the computer right now, but if you unplug it, it's rechargeable. It's rechargeable, it stays on. It tells you, when you have it plugged in, it also shows you on the computer the percentage of battery it has. And the best part is that it works really well. It also has a stand here, so it can stay elevated like this. Very good product. button on?